Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the plastic cover over the rain sensor on a Ford C-Max from 2012. Okay, so to be able to do this, first thing that we need to do is get rid of this little plastic right here. So we squeeze on it and kind of start to pull on it, but I'm not sure exactly where the clips are, so I will investigate and be back to you in a moment with more details about that. No, it was actually okay what I was doing, but I just did not squeeze it enough. If you feel you cannot squeeze it enough, pull on this other one just a tiny bit and it will unlock. I'm still a bit locked on the other side, so I'm going to move it. And it unlocked. Here are the hooks that you need to get rid, and here it just sits in there, so there's nothing latching it in place, just the hooks on top. So now that is out of the way. I'm not really sure. I think this we need to spread apart from both sides at the same time, so I need both hands, because they should have some locks. You lock it by pushing it upwards and it locks onto this big plastic that holds the whole mirror. So, as I said, I pushed the mirror all the way down and pulled on the edges, and now it's unlocked. And I'm going to show you, come on, I need to move the mirror, it's not allowing me to take this off. Where the clips are, here are the clips, you can see them on both sides. And I'm going to show you into what they are locking right here. In these features. So yeah, you need to get them out of there, and now we have full access to everything in here. And I kind of just forgot to show you how to put it on, because I installed actually a dash cam from Mercy Lion with a bit of trickery in here, because it wouldn't fit 100% with the weird model that I have. It seems a weird revision that I cannot even find online. Anyway, you simply slide it up in there, and it has clips that you can see on the sides, on both sides, and it locks in place in there. And then you come with this plastic from the top, and it will lock. Let me try and show you. In this clip right here on one side, and in that one on the other side. And yeah, that's about it. Come on, focus. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.